Hey guys, this is Deepika coming from Dubai. This is my first time in Sri Lanka and I've booked my tour with Overa Tours. And so far, what can I tell you? I was planning to travel alone. I am traveling alone, in fact. And I've had a really good time in Sri Lanka. This place is so beautiful. I can't tell you enough about it. Starting from, so I had designed my tour in such a way because I wanted to visit all the main attractions and also experience the cultural life of Sri Lanka. So I had designed my locations, and it was really hard because the tour company had informed me that it's going to involve a lot of traveling, a lot of driving around, and it might be difficult. I'm so happy though that they have made it possible. So my first stop was Sigiriya. Sigiriya is beautiful with so much of heritage and so much of culture. I was there at the rock temple, the Bulla Rock Temple. I was also there at the Lion Fortress. Beautiful place, I'm telling you, worth it. Every one of you have to be there, climb the rock because it's too beautiful. And it feels challenging a bit when you see there's a hive of wasps and you have to pass through there, but you have to be really silent so that they don't sting you. And all of that, let me just not spoil it for guys who want to visit Sri Lanka because it's amazing. And from Sigiriya we went to Kandy, and in Kandy, believe me, such a beautiful place with so much of greenery, so much of fresh air. We visited the botanical garden there. It's a must visit for all of you who love nature. There is a hanging bridge there where you can get a lot of pictures as well. And throughout the trip, my guide, which is Mr. Kamal, he was making so sure that I'm comfortable and the tour is going as planned, and he even made some suggestions that turned my trip to be amazing. Maybe my trip was just a good plan, but he made my plan an amazing plan, and he made some suggestions and some improvisations where we could stop. So that turned out to be amazing. Kandy was too beautiful, and Mr. Kamal, being my official photographer, gave me a lot of amazing pictures. So I'm really happy. And also a lot of times whenever I kept updating my Instagram and social media with my posts, I kept getting feedback saying, is it safe, are you okay, what is happening there? Because all of you might know that these blasts that have taken place in Sri Lanka have actually created havoc in the entire world. I mean, everyone knows what a tough time they're going through. But to be honest, I was a little doubtful before traveling to Sri Lanka, like, should I do it? Because everyone kept warning me, don't do this because it's risky. I don't know, something in my head said, like, go for it. And to be honest, these guys, Overa Tours, they've been so supportive. They've made sure that I'm safe, that I'm comfortable, that I feel secure here. They've done all that they can. And for me to be here in this situation, to be honest, like such a tough situation, I don't feel any different. In fact, I feel I've traveled in the best time, because there are not much travelers because of the blast and the news. But guys, to be honest, I feel the news is just blown up a lot. I know that they're going through a rough time, that there has been a blast, people are affected, but the situation, it's not like you cannot visit Sri Lanka. You can definitely visit Sri Lanka because everything is calm. I have not witnessed any chaos here. There is enough security everywhere, but I was warned that there will be a lot of curfew, there will be security checks on the roads, and maybe I cannot visit places and see places as much. But trust me, nothing. My trip has been so smooth, so amazing, and I'm surprised, that people here are so calm, so welcoming, so kind. Even the policemen, they're so kind and so friendly. Everyone is so welcoming. You ask anybody on the street for help and they're more than happy to help. So guys, Sri Lanka, if that is in your checklist, please come and visit Sri Lanka. Don't worry about the news because the news is a little too blown up. The place is amazing, so peaceful, so calm. Right now I'm chilling at Riverbank. I think it's like a homestay near the river. An amazing experience. To be honest, Mr. Kamal also had, he arranged a barbecue for me. He made sure I'm feeling at home in Sri Lanka. This place is amazing, and I'm so happy that I did the tour with Overa Tours and not with anybody else, because maybe they might not have taken care of me as much as Avera Tours has. So Sigiriya, Kandy. From Kandy, I went to Noor Aliya. Noor Aliya, I have seen the tea estates. I've been to the tea factory. I've also been to the spice garden here. And from Noor Aliya, we came straight down to Bentota. Bentota is the beach area. So the beach was quiet, to be honest, so quiet. Like there are no travelers, no tourists, and it's not nice to see it like that. You know, you would like to see the beach with a little buzz. You know, like some foreigners, some shops. You would like it a little buzzy, but this was like so calm and quiet. Yeah, that is another experience as well. But I felt so bad. Like, you know, the place is so beautiful, and because of the news and stuff, people here are so affected by it. Like, you know, people are closing their shops soon because there's nobody to shop here. So I felt so bad. Other than that, yeah, I'm having a great time here, and I cannot tell you how happy I am, especially with the team. Like Avera Tours, the team is amazing. The one who did my itinerary, who prepared my itinerary, was Nipuni. Nipuni has been amazing doing her planning for me. I have faced no issues so far. From Bentota, I have visited the turtle hatchery. Must visit. Very cute place. You'll see a lot of baby turtles, and they're so cute. And yeah, so that's it. And tomorrow we're going to one of the forest reserves here. I'm guessing that's an amazing place. That's what I've heard. So I can't wait for that. This is in short where I've been, and I really wish a lot more people can see Sri Lanka, because I am definitely coming back. There's so much more to Sri Lanka than this. I'm definitely coming back. Thank you.